Yes,
Microphone, mic test, mic test. Ito ba yung nasabi din is a total of 250 bulbs.
Yes.
No, I think more than.
More time.
Because this has 250 meters. Baka dito, malaganapan yung yakatang fasad. Can you imagine that?
Yes, po.
Gusto visin-visin din na may abe-abe. At yan, tunggal-tunggal yari ng one water rin. Ay,
Yes.
akit tayang sulag at sumala.
Sumala, kaya katawag pong kusaban. And of course, ipipun down tangan, syempre, kaya katang pakamala na imatin do, ang Juan Avire ni Lourdes. Para pakatala mo po, kaya katang. Ayan, I think we're all set.
Makanya tayo man the win in
Yes.
paratang na Pasko.
Yes,
Anti
po.
yang sana, sulag. Makana nyo mang kadalumdum, ingyato, impieta mo, nung paluban tayo nga po yung sala, na ipawi in dalumdum. Amen!
Man!
Palapaka naman dyan!
Ayan, bro, I think we're already.
Are you okay? Kinakabahan ako.
Aro, alam mo.
Kinakabahan ako.
Are you excited? Everyone, are you excited? Palakpakan mo na may kasamang sigawan!
And of course, Brother Ivan, joining us is our resident priest. Let us, of course,
Yes.
welcome Brother, Father, Mother, our Amo, Father Raven Garcia. Palapakan natin in the
Palakpakan po natin
house.
si Father
Thank you.
Raven, the chaplain of AUF. Ayan. I think we're all set, po.
Set ba?
Sabay-sabay po tayo. And
Tingnan
count.
lang, tingnan lang, tingnan lang.
Ano?
Okay na ba? Okay, ready? Okay na ba?
Alright.
Okay na rin ba yung mga fireworks?
Yes.
Okay, are your cameras ready, guys?
Turn on all your cameras in the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Palakpakan tayo po yung parokya ng Virgen Lourdes, everyone. Oh, yes! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Palakpakan tayo po yung Viva Lourdes! Viva! Viva Lourdes! Viva! Palakpakan, everyone!
Thank you for joining us!
Yes!
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Sige, palakpakan po natin ang bawat isa para po sa light of our Fasage. And of course, right after this, we'll be having our dinner muna. And then right after the dinner, tayo po ay mag-umpisa ng the anniversary Christmas party celebration ngayong taon. Alright, isettle na lang po ng bangko. Thank you so much.
Ako naman.
Okay, let us now settle now.
Ayan, iset up tayo po rin bangko at ilakwan tayo pong kene pong harap na rin yung katama pong safe. Hello. Ayan. Sige po, we can occupy po space. Sali mo nanda po rin kakatama pong nights. So, pantala pong ayan ang bangko rin kakatama pong parokyan. So, yan. Okay. Kuya Mark.